Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix MW3 or Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching on Xbox. Let's begin. Now, if you are experiencing any issues with the Modern Warfare 3 not launching on Xbox, or like you're getting black screen, MW3 crashing, freezing, not working, of course, there are several steps that you can take to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Alright, number one is the most basic of all of them is just try to restart the Xbox console, because as we all know, sometimes a simple restart can fix minor issues. Turn off your Xbox, unplug it a few times, then plug it back in and try launching the game again. Of course, you make sure you check for updates. Your game and console are up to date, and go to the Xbox dashboard right here. Now from the Xbox dashboard, select My Games and Apps and then check for updates for Modern Warfare 3. Occasionally, Xbox Live may experience service outages that can affect game launches. So check the Xbox Live status page to see if there are any ongoing issues. Also, you might want to clear the cache of your Xbox because sometimes it can resolve launch issues. To do this, press and hold the power button on the front of your console until it fully powers down. Unplug the cord for about 30 seconds, then plug it back and turn the console back on. Alright? Now, the next option that you can do from here is, if you have tried and everything and the game still won't launch, you may need to contact the Xbox support. Right here. Because they may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or escalate the issue if necessary. Of course, you need to log into your Xbox account, and hopefully by following all of these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues preventing Modern Warfare 3 from launching on your Xbox. And from here, just choose the topic that you can, and you can also click on the contact us option. All right, of course you need to log in. You have the option to chat online or request a call if available, but again, you can also try the virtual agent. From here, type in your question to see if we get an answer. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.